This is gonna be sweet. So we're Sunday, around 1 o'clock. Store is supposed to be closed, but there's a lot of cars around. So there's a bunch of cars, more cars. So there's a lot of people here. Let's go see inside what's going on. It's a nice big pickup truck. Sunday by appointment. This is the hangout place. Hey guys, Tank here. I got something real cool to show you. Here it is. Daddy's got an all new ride. Now this is pretty easy to do. Well, easy. It's doable, and just using 4 servos. And let's show you how it's done. So I'm here at 110 Hobbies, and he's actually done a cool little truck using a SCX10 frame and SCX10 axle actually. And yes, it is only rear-wheel drive, because you notice here the front drive shaft is not there. But what he's actually done is actually put 2 servos at the back and attached to the shock. So that's pretty ingenious way to crank it up. And he's got some 50mm shocks, I think there, or 45. They're short ones. And on top, in the front, he's got a little bit of longer arms on it to actually bring the front up. So the only thing you do is you set some presets on your remote control to actually get this done. It's cool. So he's got it preset on this. This is a DX4. To actually bring it up and down. So he's got basically 3 settings. All the way down in the middle, or all the way down there. So to actually mount the servo, what did you use? Just a servo mount, or?
Yeah.
It's your custom servo mount, eh?
Yeah, a little bit of a mix between aluminum and some SCX10 servo mounts.
Okay. And how come you didn't keep it 4x4 and you went just 2-wheel drive?
I'm not sure. I think it was a lack of drive shaft situation.
Okay, at the time, okay.
Yeah.
Because the shaft, the pin is there, the shaft is there.
Yeah, it's all there, yeah. It can function, yeah.
That's pretty cool, and what's neat with it is it does keep the suspension there. And he's got 2 shorty packs at the back, which gives him more run time. And he's got 1 big magnet here and another magnet here to hold his body down. Like that, he doesn't have to do some holes in his body, and it keeps the truck down low, which is really cool. That's awesome, pretty ingenious. And once it's all the way down like normal, because it's right now you do have suspension, but if you bring it all the way down, there is no suspension, which is normal. Makes it for a low rider.
Yeah.
That's really neat and really cool way to do it. Cool. Check us out, 110 Hobbies.